Can you believe this animation was made by AI, and within just a few minutes?
Wow, that's insane!
Creating animation has always been a tough ordeal that required painstakingly drawing various illustrations multiple times. The entire process of writing a story to animating a character's movement normally takes up to days. But with the help of AI tools and our favorite Canva, we can make beautiful animations in just a few minutes. Don't believe me? Well, stick with me until the end to find out how. Animations have been doing exceptionally well on YouTube. Gaining over millions of views, this is the perfect niche to earn an impressive passive income. So let's start the process of creating easy animations. The first thing that we need for animation is a storyline. Don't worry, even if you're not a writer, you can come up with an amazing story, all thanks to ChatGPT. I think we are all pretty familiar with ChatGPT, so I don't have to explain how to use it. Just ask ChatGPT to give you a short, interesting 30-second story with a moral. It won't always give you a satisfactory response, so I kept asking it to give me stories until I had one I liked. I chose this story about a girl and her father finding a pebble by the lake. One thing to note when selecting a story is if the scenes are easy to animate. If you randomly select one, you will end up wasting a lot of time, so choose carefully. We have the story, so let's move on to generating the characters in the story. There are so many AI image generators out there like Playground AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E. Among all the competitions, my favorite is Leonardo.ai. Not only is it free and provides a commercial license, but it also generates images of extremely high quality. In this video, however, I will not delve into too much detail about the AI. Open up the site on your browser and click Launch App on the top right side. Click on Yes, I'm whitelisted and create your account. You will be directed to Leonardo's homepage where the community feed is displayed. All these images are generated by Leonardo users all across the globe. The best part is you can click on them to see the setting they use to generate the image, and you can even copy the prompt. Now let's create our own characters. On the left side, we have the menu. On it, you will see the option AI Image Generation. Click it to start your session. Many free AIs use a credit system where you are given some free credits that you can use to generate images, and Leonardo is one of them. It gives you 150 credits, which refresh every 24 hours. This is where you can choose the number of images generated per prompt, and from here, you select the image dimensions in pixels. This is the prompt box, and below it are the AI models. For these animations, select 3D animation style. From this option, you can turn on the negative prompt, which is basically things that AI should exclude from the image. For example, weird proportions, 2 heads, text, extra limbs, etc. For generating the characters, this is the prompt I will be using. You change according to the character you want to design. Don't be afraid to experiment and play around with prompts. To generate the background, I use this prompt. Once again, you can change it to fit your needs. Now I have all the material I need for the scenes. Let's bring some movement to the character's static postures with animation. For this, I will be using the innovative yet free tool called Sketch.Meta Demo Lab. Open the site and click Get Started. Next, upload your character and adjust the frame to cover the character only. Click on Next and your character will be scanned. Sometimes the scan won't be proper, so you can use the Restore and Eraser tool at the bottom to select your character properly. As you can see, I zoomed in to make it easier for myself. Once you have carefully selected the character, click on Next. Adjust the joints onto your character and once again, click on Next. Now you can start animating the character. The tool provides you with various animations, and all you have to do is click on one, and your character will be animated to perform that action. To download the animation, click on this icon, then click the 3 dots and download the animation. For the narration voiceover, I used ElevenLabs AI. This is one of the most user-friendly and realistic voiceover AI models. To create your voiceover, open the AI on your browser. Copy and paste your sentence into the box and select a suitable voice. It provides several choices, but I went with Anthony since I like its tone. After the voiceover loads, you can download it by clicking this icon. We have everything we need for the scene, so let's combine it using Canva. From the homepage, go to the Video tab and select YouTube Video, and your new project will open up. Click Upload to upload all your files. First, I dragged and then dropped the background on the blank canvas. Then I adjusted it to fit the whole screen. Let's put our characters on the screen as well. As you can see, the animated video has a background, but don't worry, we can remove it. Click on Edit Video and scroll down until you see the Remove Background option. And with a single click, our background is gone. You can adjust the animation according to your scene. To adjust the timing, click on the 3 dots above the image and select Show Timing. I also added the other character, and adjusted it to fit the scene. Adding the voiceover is also pretty simple. Just upload it and drag, drop, and adjust it onto your animation. Just like that, with no more than 4 tools, we have created a high-quality animation that is sure to earn you revenue on YouTube. Make sure to be consistent, creative, and have fun. Here is a quick recap. Step 1. Generate a story from ChatGPT. Step 2. Generate your characters from Leonardo.ai. Step 3. Animate the characters in Sketch. Meta Demo Lab Step 4. Get your voiceover from 11 Labs Step 5. Combine everything on Canvas Step 6. Create many more and upload them on YouTube to earn. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more cheat codes to steady passive income. Like the video and comment down below any questions you have. Until next time, goodbye.